My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Lexus NX300. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 75,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the right of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our main features, which include climate control, apps, smartphone integration, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. We have the choice of 3 different driving modes to choose from: Eco, Sport, and if we push down, Normal. And just below we have our EV mode button. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats are black leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.